What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my dining room. We're going to do an unboxing today for the Rebel wiring harness install that we're doing on Nadine in the garage. In front of me I got two boxes with parts in them. Let's check it out, see what we got. I've already pulled the tape off the top. I have a sleeping baby upstairs. I'm not waking him up, so the tape's off. Anyway, here's the box, the harness. Let's open her up, see what we got. First things first, right off the top, Summit Racing catalog. Can't go wrong there. Next thing we have is the Watson Streetworks catalog. For those of you that aren't familiar with Watson Streetworks, look them up. They're a fantastic company to do a lot of hot rod stuff, wiring, switches, things of that nature. Just a great company. This harness I installed in my bus a few years ago. Loved it to death. It changed my entire feel of my bus. It was fantastic. So yeah, check these guys out. The next thing in the box is basic auto electricity for street rods. Interesting. Kind of explains, you know, the basics of wiring a street rod. That's very interesting. So those of you who might be interested in that, check it out. Installation manual for our harness that we have. And now we get to the good stuff. This is the replacement ignition switch that Watson Streetworks offers. You see. This is an actual dash mount switch. The 71 has a column switch. We're probably not going to use this because she wants to utilize her original switch, but I had to order it anyway just in case. We have it. And the next thing we have is the deluxe bug bag to make this harness the deluxe vehicle bag. It comes with a few spade connectors, a few connectors for looks like tail light connectors, the backup light harness, a few other odds and ends. Put this a little closer so you guys can see it. Hopefully you guys can see that. If you can't, I apologize. Back it up just in case. Yeah, it's a little supplement harness that goes with it just to make it a deluxe harness. Fantastic. And now for the stuff. Here is the harness. And this is basically front to back, everything you need. You can see here, fuse panel, modern fuses, modern relays. You can't go wrong with this stuff. You can get this stuff at any store, you know, any O'Reilly's or Napa Auto Parts on the side of the road if you have an issue. You can find these things. It's, you know, that's why on cars like this, you know, me personally, when I did my bus, I wanted something where if something went wrong, I could find the part. I'm not looking for a ceramic fuse or some weird relay that, you know, hasn't existed since the 60s and 70s. This takes care of all that. Moderns. Also, I'd like to mention on the Rebel harnesses, they label the harness, I want to say it's every 6 inches or so for what it is. Like, for example, yeah, I know you guys can't see it, but oil. You know, it's labeled. It's kind of foolproof. It's fantastic. But as you can see, already comes pre-wired to the fuse panel, and then everything else is just rolled up and ready to go. And that's it for the harness. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Look at this. This box, I had the customer order this box for me because it's, you know, the harness is there. It's great. It's fantastic. Spade connectors and stuff like that, you know, I'm going to be utilizing those where they're needed to, you know, attach it here and there. This is awesome because this comes with wiring loom, electrical tape and heat shrink, can't go wrong there. Zip ties, you never have to use zip ties. Wiring loom, and wiring loom. It's just a great kit. We ended up getting this from Summit Racing. It's made by Design Engineering. It's fantastic. I saw it on there and I was like, yes, utilize that, get that. It just makes for a cleaner, nicer look after the install. You know, can't go wrong. So yeah, as far as parts, that's basically it. That's all we have. We're gonna start tearing into the car hopefully in the next week or so, and we're gonna just, you know, do an uninstall video of the original harness, and, you know, there's gonna be a lot of time-lapse video and things of that nature because it's what I do. You know, I'm gonna set the camera up, press go, and I'm just gonna work. I'll explain things here and there when I run into them. Things that may need more explanation, I'll be sure I try to tell you what's going on with it, but yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all that fun stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.